You want to learn how to use power tools, but you are a total beginner and you don't even know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Hey guys, I'm Ashley French. I am a DIYer and I help total beginners renovate and DIY their homes. This video is going to be part of a series where I teach you how to use power tools. I am teaching from the very beginner kindergarten level, so this is going to be easy to follow. And when you're done watching this, you're going to feel confident being able to use power tools. So let's get started. Let's start with a drill and impact driver. An impact driver is typically stronger than a drill and has more torque than a drill. Torque is the rotational force that an object has. You would use an impact driver to screw and unscrew fasteners into boards, walls, etc. It uses a fixed quick change clamp that holds drill and driver bits that have hex shanks. It has a button above the trigger that changes the direction that the bit turns. You use a drill to drill holes into materials like boards and walls. A drill uses an adjustable chuck to fit a variety of different bit sizes. A drill does pretty much everything that an impact driver does. You can use drill bits or fastener bits in a drill, and here you will see me removing the drill bit and replacing it with a Phillips bit. If you can only afford one between the impact driver and a drill, get the drill since it can do it all. The numbers on the drill tell you how much torque will be applied to a fastener such as a screw. The lower numbers will hardly even turn a screw into the material. Most people leave it at the highest setting to always get max torque. The only time I would turn the torque down is if I was working with a delicate screw that was made out of plastic or something else delicate and I was afraid that the drill would strip the screw out. A drill also has a button near the trigger that changes the direction that the bit turns. Okay, so a couple examples of when I use my drill and my impact driver. So I use my impact driver whenever I'm assembling furniture that has a lot of screws or fasteners. I will use a combination of both when I'm hanging something on a wall. I may use the drill first to make a hole in the drywall, put a drywall anchor in, and then use the impact driver to put the screw into the drywall anchor. Another time that I would use these is when I am doing hardware into a cabinet. If it needs holes, I will use the drill first to drill my holes and then use the impact driver to screw in the new hardware. So those are just a couple examples. These are definitely a must-have tool if you're wanting to get into DIY, and the list of uses for these goes on and on. All right, guys, if you have additional questions, leave those in the comments below. I will be answering all of your questions and helping you guys in any way that I can. If you found this video helpful, be sure to head to my page because I have created a bunch of videos just like this on a variety of power tools because this is part of my series of Power Tool Basics 101. Hope you guys subscribe and I will see you guys soon.